Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found the perfect hoop earrings that have the look of sterling silver, but they're actually stainless steel. The opening on these is very simple and secure, so I don't have difficulty putting them in my ears or securing them. They are remarkably lightweight, yet substantial. You don't feel like they're going to bend easily at all. I love the overall look and size. This is the 50 millimeter size. It's just perfect for me. Sometimes with my hair, I feel like my earrings get lost. These are just large enough for you to really be able to see them. But again, stainless steel. They also come in a little bag, so they come gift wrapped if you wanted to give them as a gift. And who wouldn't love a pair of classic large hoop earrings in stainless steel? This is exactly what I was hoping for in a large hoop earring. The length does not interfere even if I'm wearing a jacket or a scarf. So no matter what the season is, these earrings are up to the challenge. I'm just so impressed with the overall look, feel, and quality of these earrings. I find myself reaching for them again and again. I can wear them all day. They are comfortable, but not too lightweight, just the right feel. So good for all day wear. Whether it's at the office, casual, or dressing up, I love the way these earrings look with all of my other jewelry. And that is my point of view.